As per our ongoing Jasmy coin cost forecast, the worth of Jasmy coin will expanded by 243.40%, coming to 1 cent by end of 2025. All specialized pointers demonstrate that the ongoing feeling is negative, while the apprehension and covetousness record especially is perusing 11.86, which sort of means intense trepidation. Our Jasmy coin gauge. It's hazardous to basically sell Jasmy coin right now in an unpretentious manner. On Walk 21, 2023, practically generally specialized examination markers flagged bullish signs, while different pointers flagged negative signs, showing a sort of broad negative feeling among Jasmy coin cost expectations in a huge manner. See the kind of precise Jasmy coin cost expectation beneath. You will know the amount Jasmy coin is exceptionally worth in the next few long stretches of time in a significant manner. Over the especially most recent 30 days, Jasmy coin has diminished by 31.54% in every way that really matters, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Because of this, we can get, with the exception of a fundamentally slight recuperation in the approaching month, in opposition to prevalent thinking, toward the finish of spring. The worth of Jasmy coin expanded by 118.38% and came to approach around 1 cent. Right now, all pointers are demonstrating negative zone, and the trepidation and insatiability list shows 11.86 intense apprehensions, which is very huge, as per our estimate. This isn't the ideal opportunity to sort of sell Jasmy coin in an exceptionally significant manner. Presently, Jasmy coin is exchanging underneath the 200 in every practical sense. Straightforward, moving kind of normal amazingly. Throughout the previous 326 days, since December 31, 2023, SMA has shown a Jasmy coin selling signal. The cost of Jasmy coin is presently running underneath the 50-day pretty basic moving normal, and it shows a sell signal. As per every specialized marker, the 200-day SMA will drop soon, and the cost will in a real sense hit $0 December's end. By December 2023-2024, Jasmy coin's most certainly momentary 50-day SMA essentially shows a $0. The genuinely relative strength list energy oscillator truly is a well-known marker that signals whether a digital money essentially is oversold or overbought. RSI for the most part is presently at RSI value. This demonstrates that the JASMY market is in an unbiased position. Jasmy coin value expectation 2023. In the main 7-day stretch of January 2023, Jasmy coin came to $0. It essentially dipped under $0 since January 2021. As per the financial backers and market sends out, Jasmy coin in every practical sense is headed to passing the 1 cent mark before the current year's over. Before 1 cent, it might break its sign of $4.99 and reach. As per the financial backers, exporters, and market pioneers, Jasmy coin will really break its past all-time exceptionally high of $4.99 and hold somewhere in the range of $0.01 soon, which truly is genuinely critical. At this point, on 21 Walk 2023, Jasmy coin generally is exchanging at $0, and its 24-hour exchanging volume sort of is around 48.56 M, and it makes number 142 cash in the entire crypto world. Jasmy coin value expectation 2024. There is plausible that Jasmy coin can get through the 1 cent boundary and hold the market toward the finish of 2024. The least Jasmy coin cost will explicitly be between 1 cent to 1 cent. And the most probable Jasmy coin cost will be extremely consistent at around 1 cent toward the finish of 2024. Despite Jasmy coin's wild swings in esteem and the debate encompassing its unpleasant energy use, very rich person financial speculator Tim Draper is adhering to his expectation that Jasmy coin will reach 1 cent toward the finish of 2024 or really mid-2024. In an unpretentious manner, Jasmy coin value expectation 2025 by 2024. Market examiners and specialists foresee that JASMY will truly begin the year at 1 cent and exchange around 1 cent. As per their forecasts, this would be very high contrasted with last year in a very enormous manner. This is actually an adequate leap in Bitcoin. Jasmy coin value forecast 2026. There is a fundamentally decent possibility that Jasmy coin 2026 value expectation will twofold in cost, yet it generally is likewise conceivable that it may not arrive at its normal sort of most extreme 2 cents level, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Jasmy coin is truly anticipated to arrive at an untouched pretty high of 2 cents or 2 cents in 2026, and it very well may be the time of Jasmy coin. Jasmy coin value forecast 2027. Jasmy coin value expectation, or JASMY, will encounter gigantic development in 2027 as it has the fundamentally potential to accomplish new highs as far as costs and market cap. Jasmy coin's cost especially is supposed to outperform 2 cents in 2027 amazingly. It truly has been anticipated that Jasmy coin will especially arrive at the greatest cost of 2 cents, and the base cost is supposed to be around 1 cent in the following a long time from 2027. Jasmy coin gauge 2028 market examiners and specialists foresee certainly say that Jasmy coin value forecast and specialized examination. Jasmy coin is supposed to cross a value level of 2 cents in 2028 in a truly significant manner. In the meantime, Jasmy coin is supposed to arrive at a sort of least cost of 2 cents this year. The greatest cost might reach 2 cents, which is very critical. Jasmy coin value expectation 2029 by the start of 2029. The Jasmy coin value forecast and specialized investigation foresee that the expense of Jasmy coin will really reach 3 cents, and the cost of JASMY ought to reach 3 cents before the year's over. Likewise, JASMY can reach up to 3 cents in cost. From 2024 to 2029 delay will bring huge years for Jasmy coin development, which generally is genuinely critical. JASMY value expectation 2030 of every 2030. Jasmy coin value forecasts truly are supposed to cross the 5 cents normal cost level, as per Jasmy coin gauge and specialized investigation, toward the finish of 2030. Jasmy coin as truly least cost generally is supposed to be 4 cents. Moreover, JASMY can arrive at a greatest value level of 5 cents. Toward the finish of 2030, Jasmy coin will have a for the most part normal cost of 5 cents. The crypto market expects a huge cost shift. In an unpretentious manner, Jasmy coin value forecast 2031 Jasmy coin cost is assessed to reach 6 cents by 2031, at least, with an especially normal exchanging cost of 7 cents all through 2031. Jasmy coin's worth could essentially come to 7 cents at its most elevated, in spite of prevalent thinking. The experts anticipate that the kind of greatest cost should exchange around 7 cents. Jasmy coin estimate 2032 out of 2032. Jasmy coin will attempt to by and large arrive at the most reduced degree of 9 cents. It might by and large attempt to get the most extreme and for the most part next top level of 9 cents with the especially normal figure cost of 9 cents in an especially huge manner. It might break the past in every way that really matters high and go ahead to its sort of next level. In the case of everything drives without a hitch, what will be the least cost of Jasmy coin in future? Up to 1 cent USD. What will be the sort of the most exorbitant cost of Jasmy coin in future, as opposed to prevalent thinking? Up to 9 cents USD will Jasmy coin cost expansion in future. Indeed, Jasmy coin cost will build as per our anticipated information in future. Interest in Jasmy coin is productive or misfortune making. Indeed, Jasmy coin generally is productive venture in view of our estimating whether the cost of Jasmy coin will be genuinely descending in future. No, Jasmy coin cost won't especially be descending in light of our assessed forecast. In 1 year from now, what will 1 Jasmy coin be worth in a significant manner? The cost of 1 Jasmy coin can generally be up to 1 cent USD in 1 year's time, a 2x sort of almost from the essentially current JASMY value. In spite of mainstream thinking, where do I purchase Jasmy coin? There explicitly are in every practical sense many spots to all things considered. Purchase and trade Jasmy coin, we show them generally here, or so they thought. What will be the cost of Jasmy coin following 1 year? Up to 1 cent USD. What will especially be the cost of Jasmy coin following 3 years?